Hello, my dear lovely kids. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is adverb. So kids, before going to the adverbs, let's take a look on the meaning of the verb. Kids, verb chapter we have already did, but before the explanation of adverb chapter, you must know about the verbs. So let's read the definition of verb. A word that expresses an action or a state of being is called a verb. My dear kids, verb is the action words. Let's take some example. Cry, run, play, and the dance. These all words are the actions. So all these words are known as the verbs. Now we will look the definition of adverb. Words that tell us how an action is done are called adverb. Kids, adverb means the word that tell us more about the verb. It tells us how an action is done. Now we will see some example. The baby is crying loudly. Now in this sentence, crying is the action. The baby is crying. But how the baby is crying? The baby is crying loudly. So in this sentence, crying is verb and loudly is adverb. The peacock dances gracefully. Now in this sentence, dances is verb and gracefully is adverb. Now we will see more examples. Parth reads the story quickly. Now in this sentence, reads is the verb and quickly is adverb. Akshara sings softly. Now in this sentence, sings is verb and softly is adverb. My teacher laughs loudly. Now in this sentence, laughs is the verb and loudly is adverb. Mohan writes from the blackboard carefully. Now kids, in this sentence, writes is the action that is done by the Mohan. How the Mohan is writing from the blackboard? Carefully. So writes is the verb and carefully is adverb. My friend writes lazily. Now in this sentence, writes is the verb and lazily is adverb. She speaks clearly to the teacher. Now kids, in this sentence, speaks is the verb and clearly is the adverb. Now kids, how to form adverbs? Adverbs are mostly formed by adding ly. Kids, now we will see some example. Nice plus ly is equal to nicely. Bad plus ly is equal to badly. Slow plus ly is equal to slowly. Kids, you have to remember that at the end of the word, you have to add ly to form the word adverb. Now kids, point to remember. If the adjectives ends in y, we replace it with I and then add ly. Let's take some example. Happy, it will become happily. Now kids, you can see that the spelling of happy is H-A-P-P-Y. At the end of the word happy, there is y. So we will cut y. Instead of y, we will write I and then ly. So it will become H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. Now second example, angry, angrily. A-N-G-R-Y. At the end of the word angry, there is y. So the answer will be A-N-G-R-I-L-Y, angrily. Easy, easily. Hungry, hungrily. Now kids, you have to remember that if the word is ending with Y, then you have to write I instead of Y and then add ly. Now kids, activity time. Change the following adjectives to adverb by adding ly and use them in the sentence. Now, brave, bravely. Now, you have to frame a sentence from the word that is bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. Rude, rudely. Raj spoke to me rudely. Loud, loudly. The child clapped loudly. I hope you enjoyed the video and now you have understood the concept of adverbs. My dear kids, it is time to practice. I am going to share you the PDF of textbook exercise. You have to complete the exercise in your grammar textbook. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, students.